Hey, so check this out. As far as, learning to play the guitar, I think one of the most important things to start with, once you get the fundamentals down of, being able to, fret notes and, play some of these basic chords, and maybe you learn your basic, like open scale, to go with chords. Pentatonic. That's what I'm getting at. I think starting with the A minor pentatonic is, a really good, great place to start moving through the fretboard in, one key, A minor pentatonic, but it kind of helps you build off of, certain notes as you kind of internalize the scale. So, starting with the first position here at the 5th fret. Here's my root note. This is A here at the 5th fret on the low 6th string. This is also an A here on the D string here at the 7th fret. And then I also have an A right here on the 5th fret here on the high E string. And the pentatonic scale is, this is, geared towards beginners. This is, if you're just learning to play guitar. This isn't, for people who already know this. I'm not trying to I'm just trying to give out some, just, my perspective on, learning the basic the 5-note, scale, 5 positions. So essentially that's the scale. Root, minor 3rd, 4th, 5th, flat 7th, back to your root. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's 5 positions as you move through the fretboard. So let's take a look at that. Starting here with position 1. I won't call out the frets, but it's 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 8, 5, 8. Just to give you reference where I'm kind of jumping off from here. And I'm also using alternate picking, where I'm picking down on the first note and then I'll pick up on the next note. When I follow through to the following string below, I'll go down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down. Second position here, starting at the... This isn't the root note. The root note would be here on the 7th fret of the D string. That's my A note. But starting here up at the 8th fret. So I have an A note here, and here at the 10th fret on the B string. My root note. Moving up to 3rd position, 10th fret. I like this position here. This is my root note. A string, 12th fret. That's my A. So if I go here from the 10th fret to the 12th, I also have an A note here at the 10th fret, B string. Starting here at the 12th fret, still thinking of this root note, so I'm going 12 to 15. This is going 15, 17, 15, 17, 14, 17. I can play this same position down here at the 3rd to 5th fret. Here's my root note at the 5th fret and at the 2nd fret here on the G string. So anyways, that's, my approach to, looking at the 5 positions of the pentatonic scale. As far as, how I'm, putting what finger I'm using for each, position of each scale as I move through. I'm always thinking of like that spider exercise that you kind of, when you warm up. Chromatic scale kind of warm-up thing. Meaning that like whatever position of the pentatonic scale I'm thinking of, I'm always thinking of that 4 fret. So, wherever I'm starting, so say 2nd position starts here, I would use my middle finger and my pinky on the low E string to start it. That's my main, explanation of how I, what fingers I'm using to get through the positions. But, some players have different hands, whatever's easier. I've seen a lot of different people that I've kind of given lessons to just have long fingers, and they just, they'll do everything this way, and it works. I can't really change how, you go about it, but normally you would think of it as a 4 finger. Like if I was playing an Aeolian in A minor. I'm gonna think of it as, using those fingers, but I do deviate here to the 4th fret on the G string. So that would be like a finger shift, or like a position shift. Alright, practice that if you're, this is for beginner guitar players. I put up diagrams to show, what each position, how it lays on each string. So, just memorizing that and getting that kind of muscle memory through, and using the alternate picking where you, down, up, down, up. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, give me a like. Take care.